Okay, Kahan, short vowel sound. Say short vowels.
Should want to sound.
Okay, short vowels. Now, the sound of letter A is?
A.
Okay, how about the letter E?
E.
Very good. How about the letter I? E.
E.
How about the letter O?
O.
How about the letter U? Ah,
A.
ah,
A.
ah.
A.
Okay. So, what is the sound of letter U?
A.
Okay. Now, bug,
Buck.
bug,
Buck.
pig, pig,
Pig.
car.
Car.
Again, car.
Car.
This one,
Dog.
dog. This one, hen,
And.
hen.
Hen.
Mug, mug.
Mug.
Net, net. In,
In.
bean. Very good. Rat, rat.
Rat.
Okay, this one, ox, box.
Box.
Okay, again, bug.
Buck. Pig.
This one, car,
Car. Dog.
hen,
Hen.
mug.
Mug. Bin.
Net.
Net.
Net. Okay, in,
Bin.
rat,
Rat.
ox.
Box.
Okay, good job.